and show you guys a tutorial. I picked up this ribbon at Dollar Tree, I think about a month ago. And I hadn't seen it before, and it happened to be, they were stocking shelves that day. So they had every color and every type. What's different about these is it is this glitter tape or glitter ribbon, but it's got a sticky back on it. And it's a little bit thicker. It almost feels like the faux leather that they sell at Michael's. So I wasn't sure what I was going to do with it, but I know that I needed to pick it up. So I got these two, and it's kind of a really small glitter, and this doesn't come off at all. This doesn't shed at all. And then I got these three with a really chunky glitter, and then I also got this one as well, but I cut all of this one apart already. So I have 4 different styles of the chunky one. These 3 I think are perfect for Halloween, and these I'm making for some Christmas embellishments. So because of the texture, and again, this is sticky on the back as well, you can see it's a little bit thicker, I decided I wanted to try and make bows with it. I don't have a pattern, I just kind of was playing around with it. This is the first one that I made. This is the one I was playing around with. But I think they turned out so cute, and they look just like you punched them with a die cut machine. I left the sticky back here on the bottom so you can stick it down. You can peel that off when you're ready to use it and stick it down. So what I found out, let me move these over here. What I did is super simple. So you're gonna measure this part, which is the loop part, is gonna be 3 inches. So I just simply cut at 3 inches. The base part, the tail part, is gonna be 2 inches. So you're just gonna cut that at 2. And then the small little part that's gonna wrap around the bow itself is 1 inch. So I just measure those all out. I like to do things in bulk, so I cut, a ton of these out. I cut this entire thing out. These are a little bit more difficult to cut, and I needed to use, a bigger scissors. This glitter is just more chunky, and it's harder to cut through. So these take a little more time because you've got to do a little more trimming on them. But like I said, I didn't have a pattern. All I did, I folded it in half like this. I'm just going to make a cut there, a cut there, and it's going to look like this. It's going to just have 2 tails on it. Then you're going to want to make it curve in the middle. So you're not going to want to do a straight cut like this. You're going to want to curve it in and make a nice curve there. Like I said, there's no pattern, and you can see like this one is a little pointier, so I'm just going to go and trim that. Make sure that they're nice and rounded. So it looks like that. Like I said, the back piece, I'm keeping the sticky part on, and it is really sticky. Like these stick great. This little 1 inch piece, you can get 3 centers out of that. Just cut it into thirds. And this piece. So this is the 3 inch piece, and you're gonna cut it or bend it in half again. So just right down the middle. You can crease it in the middle. It doesn't make a difference. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of make that same arc here and an arc here. So you're just gonna arc both sides. And you don't want any sharp edges. You just want a nice rounded edge. So I rounded there. And I'm gonna go back and round here. So it's gonna look like that. Do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna round this. And then round that. And then I also have a smaller scissors here, because when you open it up, if it looks a little too boxy, like I feel like this one looks a little too boxy, I'm just gonna round those. So like that one right there has a little bit more of a point than I like, so I'm going to round that. Also gonna give this a little bit more of a trim there. Trim that. Sometimes they turn out perfect and sometimes you just got to do a little bit more work on them. But they certainly don't have to be perfect. Okay, so it looks like that. So these are the 2 pieces that you're gonna need and one of these. So that's gonna make our bow. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to peel off the sticky back on here. And then off camera, I've just got a little pile of baby powder. They do sell something for like an anti-static. You could use something like that in your craft area. But what I'm doing, I'm just covering these 2 spots with my fingers because I want to keep that sticky part. So I'm covering this and I'm just going to dab it in the powder. So I did that. I don't know if you can tell. So here's the sticky part and now this is dull where I tapped it. Now I'm gonna take these 2 where I kept the sticky part and I'm just gonna bend those in and they stick so well. So you stick that down and then this is what you have. I like to go in with my scissors if it's sticking a little too much and just kind of open it up in there. So this is the side, the back, the top, okay? This we're gonna leave as is. We're just gonna peel this off. Guys, these couldn't be easier. I went to my Dollar Tree today and they do have Christmas colors out in just glitter ribbon. It's not glitter ribbon tape, or it doesn't have the sticky side to it. I'm not sure if it would work because like I said, the sticky part, these are a little bit thicker and they're a little stiffer. So I'm not sure if just the actual ribbon that they sell there would work. So all I did was fold that over itself. And this is what it looks like. Guys, I think they turned out so cute. And like I said, I'm making them in bulk. I have a bunch here. I've got a bunch cut out that I'm gonna put together. Let me do one of these for you. These are just the same. Like I said, it's a little bit harder to cut with the thicker glitter on there. We're gonna take that off. Again, I'm just going to cover up the sticky side on each side, dabbing that in the powder. You'll be able to see the powder on this one. So that's what it looks like, the powdered, and then this is not powdered. Bring that in on one side and bring it in on the other side. That's what it looks like. And take our back. The back has the sticky stuff on. Just going to center it together. And then I'll get one of my middle pieces. Just take the sticky back off of there. I haven't had the need to reinforce any of these with hot glue. If that makes you feel safer, that you're getting a better hold, definitely do that. Like I said, I think the tackiness on the ribbon itself is enough to hold it. So guys, those take less than a minute to make. I'm just gonna make up a couple more of these if you guys just wanna watch. Okay guys, I wanted to give you a close-up look again of what this looks like so you know what to look for. This is called the glitter ribbon. It's going to say scrapbooks, gift bows, crafts, and decorating. It doesn't say anything on here about it having the sticky back. So this is the same one in the pink. And then this is what the thicker one looks like, the chunkier glitter. So that is what you're gonna look for. If you do try it with the Christmas glittered ribbon that's out, let me know if they turn out. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.